Curious about what makes traditional tea so unique and flavorful? Let's unravel the secrets of its rich variety and find out why no two cups are ever the same. Traditional tea has been a beloved staple across cultures for centuries, from the tea ceremonies of Japan and China to the chai culture of India. Yet, many still think of it as just a plain classic drink. But here's the thing. Traditional tea is anything but simple. Its flavors are incredibly diverse, shaped by factors like the region where it's grown, processing methods, and even the brewing technique. Green tea, for instance, can be light and refreshing or rich and grassy, depending on how it's harvested and processed. Black tea offers bold, robust flavors, often associated with the spice markets of India. And oolong. Its complex, floral, and fruity notes are unmatched. But here's something you may not know. You can completely transform your tea experience by trying unexpected combinations. For example, adding a splash of milk to green tea or rooibos can enhance their creaminess and bring out subtle, hidden notes. Or try mixing herbal teas with traditional ones, like pairing jasmine tea with peppermint for a refreshing, aromatic twist. Pairing tea with food can also unlock flavors you never expected. Try Japanese green tea with sweet mochi or a strong black tea with a rich, fruity dessert. And if you want something truly exciting, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom into your black tea for a spiced warmth that elevates every sip. And don't be afraid to get creative. Blend different teas together. Experiment with sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, or try cold brewing your favorite tea for a smoother, less bitter experience. Traditional tea isn't just a drink, it's an experience rich in flavor and history, waiting to be discovered and reinvented. So, what's your favorite way to enjoy traditional tea? Share your thoughts below, and if you're interested in discovering the perfect teas to match your mood, don't miss my video, How to Choose Teas for Every Mood this season. See you next time.